I began the process by making a rough draft of the counter's metal frame. Again, it will have a top and bottom section connected by vertical posts. It will also have some support bars for the drawers that I will install later. It's going to be 1.5 meters long, 0.5 meters wide, and 0.6 meters high. I also drew a front view perspective of the plan. In this drawing, you will see where the drawers and cabinets will be placed. I will also be putting a wine rack on the left side of the counter. So I started cutting the metal to build the frame. I used 1x2 galvanized steel tubes as my primary material for this part. For this build, I will be using some arrow magnetic holders to assist me in welding the metal pieces together. It was very convenient to have the magnets keep the metal in place. It really gave me a sturdy and stable workflow. And just like that, the top and bottom section of the frame is completed. Now I have to cut some more metal for the posts of the frame. And here are the posts. It's now time to assemble it all together. After welding the frame together, I then installed the roller wheels. I used 1-inch Tek screws to bolt them down securely to the frame. Then I went back and welded some more metal to support the drawers that I will be installing. And here is the final look of the metal frame. I prepared and applied 2 coats of epoxy primer paint to the metal frame. Then after the epoxy primer has dried, I went on to paint the frame with Boysen Quick Dry Enamel White. I forgot to document the following steps to get to this outcome, but it was just a simple process of cutting wood. I used 5x2 Eco lumber for the countertop and 3/4 inch marine plywood for the cabinet flooring. The lumber for the countertop was installed using 3-inch Tek screws bolted all the way into the frame. I started securing the pallet wood by screwing them down to the sides of the counter. And then I used a 1/4 inch thick piece of plywood for the backside. I then sanded the countertop thoroughly to prepare it for the polyurethane finish. I gave the countertop 2 coats to make sure that it is well protected and waterproofed. Here is the partially finished furniture inside our dining area. I pre-installed the drawer bracket so that installing the drawer will be easier later. And it's now time to fabricate the drawer and cabinet doors. I then screwed in some pallet wood to the front of the drawers to give them that rustic look. and then I painted them all white. I also painted the cabinet doors white to keep the look consistent. I then started to assemble the materials for the handles. To get that industrial and rustic look, I used metal pipes and elbows. For me to be able to install these handles down to the cabinet doors and drawers, I forcefully screwed in some wooden dowels to the thread of the metal elbows. This is so that the wood screw will have something to latch onto during installation. Then to attach the handles, you just have to measure the center and screw them into place. And here is the final look of the industrial handles. After that, I just added a few shelves made of pallet wood on the left side of the counter. This is where we will put our alcoholic drinks and wine bottles. Now just a short tour of our finished coffee and drink counter. The left drawer is where our tea collection is located. And the right drawer is where our coffee and sweet powdered drinks are stored. And then the bottom cabinets are where our wine glasses, vitamins, and some kitchen towels are hidden. Our coffee, drink, and snack counter is finally finished. Everything is now arranged in a single location for convenient and easy access. And the design also goes with the theme of our kitchen counter.